Good morning, guys. We are just waking up and it is gloomy outside. It looks like it's gonna rain. And so we think we're gonna get up and get dressed and we're gonna go and have breakfast at the restaurant that they have down the road because it's hard to make breakfast outside in the rain. What do you think of doing? Oh, those are your stickers. You want me to open them?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna share some with your friends?
Yeah.
What are these?
These shark. These are this and door and this door and Mimo and Dory this one and this one and this one and this one and this one.
Wow, it's so cool.
And this one and this one and this one.
Oh my goodness.
And this one and this one and this one.
Well, let's put one on your hand. What do you think?
I want these.
You want
This one.
those? Okay, hold on.
Yeah, we'll put it over. What about it, Allison?
Where should I put it so that it stays protected?
Not on the ground, probably. Put it on the table.
And that's on the right of my head. She keeps putting it everywhere I don't want it. My sticker.
You have stickers everywhere. Let me see. You have more? Oh my goodness. You have so many. Fiona, what are you eating?
Angela's like, it's like a spaceship. I'm like, it's a round tent. It's like
Eating bacon. Delicious.
It's a round tent, right?
This is my favorite spot on the whole property. It's your feature.
Bologna, bologna. Yep, I had an egg too, but it's done. It hatched and the duck flew away.
Not yet. You got your egg? Can't wait to put it in the water so it'll hatch. Did you say that backwards on purpose?
No. For real? For real?
We gonna climb the hill?
You guys are like right there, right?
This is our cabin right here. We could just go up the steps because there are steps there.
Right. We're gonna have to go this way.
Is our Uncle Artie and Aunt Jill gonna get featured in your vlog?
Absolutely. I feel like I have to do a whole round of introductions of everybody that's camping with us.
Oh, we're off to the pool. Me and my son.
Carlos.
Carlos. Come on, Carlos. We're going to the pool. Say hello, everybody. Thank you. Here comes your brother. You are so big.
You're a big girl now, I know, big sister, right?
You ready for bed? Yeah. Are you ready for bed? Yeah. This guy has been up for a while now. It's past your bedtime. It's past your bedtime. But you seem to have a lot of energy. I don't understand. What happened? Yeah, you're a happy boy. Did you have fun on our camping trip? Last night camping? Are we going home tomorrow? Yes. We get to go home tomorrow, right? Yeah. No. Ha. Happy man. Say good night. Good night. Yeah. Say good night.
Okay.
You got glow sticks?
She'll trade about 5 more times.
Oh, a necklace? Let me see. Can you put it on?
She had a whole peach, fresh off
Okay.
the truck from the farm. Like the guy grows them. He drove by.
Nice.
Chris bought them and gave her one. And she's eaten. I had a nice plate, and you know some of it went flying because she said no, and she smacked it out of my hand.
Okay,
Not
but she
happy.
ate some of it?
I'm not happy. I need to clean
What
it.
did you have? Some zucchini?
Yeah.
Yeah, and a peach?
And a couple of juice boxes here and there.
Okay, so you're all hopped up on sugar. All hopped up on goofballs, huh?
Let's get dark.
It's gonna get dark. Yes, it is.
It's okay.
And we'll have a little glow stick
Dark is
party.
fun.
Yay!
Let me see your face.
Who needs flashlights? Who needs flashlights? Can you say goodnight? We hope you have sweet dreams. Good night, Quinn. Good night, Quinn. Good night, Quinn. We hope you Sweet dreams. Good night, Fiona. Good night, Fiona. Good night, Fiona. We hope you have sweet dreams. Okay, lay down, my love. This is how last night camping. These guys are so exhausted. It is so bedtime. We have a lot of packing to do tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a really busy day. But we had such a good time. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.